Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're going to be doing our Morphe Liveglam unboxing, well, unbagging. This is going to be the second video, so we're not going to touch so much on the program per se, like the super duper details. I'll link down below the original from when we first did the first filming.
Yeah.
So you can go back and kind of get the first part of that informational. But essentially, it's a monthly subscription for brushes. You get up to over $30 of retail value for brushes, and you pay $20 a month.
Yep.
Yep. And you can buy 6 months, month to month, or 12 months at a time. I do 12 months at a time because it's just easier.
I do month to month just because that's what I signed up for.
It's easier.
Yeah.
But they do have a referral program, so there is a referral link down below, and you can either get like your first brush or first month free, or you can get like an extra brush. They're always doing like a different promotion, so don't at me. Just use the referral link if you want to set one up. You can get rewards on a monthly basis for it by your subscription, and then you can use those rewards to get things back, like hair dyes or nail polishes, press-on nails, their Kiss Me lip options. You can switch your brushes if you don't like them. Anyway, said I wasn't going to go over all the details. Anyway, so we're going to do our unbagging and see what we got.
So we have a little card. It says, do your thing for spring, which is super cute. And on the back, it gives you details on the brushes themselves. So.
Okay, so.
These are cute.
So this month we got 4 brushes, and it looks like they're the rose gold line that they have. I just recently got rid of a bunch of my rose golds to someone. Not like got rid of them, but I gave them away because I've just been letting them stack up, and I had like maybe 4 months of brushes worth of them, and they made a almost complete line. So yeah, these are going to be going in a giveaway for mine. I think I'm only going to end up keeping like 1 or 2 of them. But it says you'll be living life in full glam using this stunning rose gold ensemble. After a long winter, the flat buffer, round contour, deluxe blender, and angled liner and spoolie brush will give you a spring in your step and everything you need in a bloom, flawless, and glowing looks all season long. So they always do like this little card. It has all of their like social media down at the bottom. And then if you go onto their website, they do have a little editorial on like how you can use all the brushes, which I never realized, but I'm glad that it's there because, you know, if you're new to makeup and you're new to the subscription and you're new to using brushes all the time, great source of information. So which one do you have first? The spoolie?
Alright, so yep, I'm going to check out this spoolie. So this is the R44 angled liner and spoolie brush. Oh my goodness, I am dying for this color. This is super pretty, but I can never, you know, go wrong with another spoolie in my collection. And yeah, just another angled with spoolie brush. The spoolie feels nice and sturdy, so definitely will separate those brow hairs.
Yeah, this is probably the only one that I'm going to keep. It has more of a longer angle in comparison to the Sephora one that I use, so since I have it right here. But anyway, so as you can see, like this one is significantly shorter. Big boy here is a flat buffer, a soft kabuki style brush that will help blend your foundation into a full coverage airbrush finish. And then when you take it out of the plastic on the inside, it does like kind of branch out a little bit into a nice angled shape. But this one is going to be going in a giveaway for you guys. So
the next one we're looking at, this is the R32, the mini round contour. I would use this honestly on my eyes after applying a concealer to shapen up my brows, and then I can blend out that concealer on my eyelid with this brush, or blend concealer out under my eye with this brush. It's small, so I think you can really get into those nooks and crannies. Yeah, detailed work, I'm down. So yeah, this will collection.
It reminds me of the top of those concealers. What is it? Is it Maybelline? And they have that little rounded top.
Ah, yeah.
The age-defying concealer.
The wind-up one.
Yep.
Age rewind concealer.
Yeah. See, we know over there, even if I don't use that. So the final brush, I like it better when I get 4, honestly, because you get smaller ones, but this one is the Deluxe Blender, and it says that with this slender tapered end, use the pointed tip for precise placement to the eye and lightly blend out your crease. I do have quite a few of these that I use for blending, so this is going to go with the rest for the giveaway, but this one is more of a longer one versus I use more of a shorter one, so I normally grab the Morphe M412, which is kind of rounded versus like a tapered edge. So I like that in this brush set that they sent, you get all tapered ends. They all match. It's beautiful. For the most part, they do send ones that match within the same line.
Yeah.
So I'm not mad about that. There's just something about when I get the lines like the rose gold or like the super red ones that they've done, or like the chrome, that I like to save those and like try to build up that set. So if I do want to give them to someone, like they get a whole set's worth versus like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna use this one rose gold brush and this look. So, but yeah, so that's the unboxing. If you want to see these in a giveaway, you know, we will be releasing one soon, hopefully, if we can kind of stack up some products in there. Obviously, we don't want to give you guys products that we've used. You know, with the brushes, they all come individually packaged, so those are a little bit easier to put in a giveaway. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this one. We'll see you guys on the next one. Hit that bell, hit subscribe, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. It's the same, Sugar and Spice _ makeup. See you on the next one. Bye!